To remove the background on CapCut, what you're going to have to do is very simple. Select the video, and then here we have video, click on remove background, and then you have this auto removal, which is very useful. Click on here, and that's just going to remove the video. You're going to see the process right over here and also right over here. And also, if you don't have to go to video and then remove background, you can also click on here, remove background. And that's pretty much it. Then you can add the video. This video, you remove the background on top of another video. Then you're going to have the background. Now, sometimes you're going to have some problems here. Didn't do a great job. Depends on the video, basically. And if you have a good background here, it looks good. You remove the microphone, which I wouldn't want. But yeah, as I said, depends. Now, you can also use chroma key if you have like a green screen behind, which we don't have. Or you can also do like custom removal. And you're just gonna select here. This is what I want. Okay, now it's just gonna remove that part. Now I'm just gonna click on apply. And here's what we have now. And now it looks really, really good.